Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are keeping well. Yes? Say Alhamdulillah. I am good. Yes? So I am back with our math class today. And as you all know, we are on chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is numbers. Yes? Do you all like numbers? Yes, even I like numbers. But today I have somebody with me. You all want to see whom do I have? Yes? See? Who is this? His name is Snowy. What is his name? Snowy. And like you all like to love, you all love getting stars in your book. Even Snowy loves getting stars, and as you all can see on the board, we have so many colorful stars. Can you see the stars? Now Snowy wants to collect all the stars one by one. So let's see how is he going to do it. Yes, he is here now. How many stairs? How many jump he is going to jump to get the first star? He is going to jump one time. Can you see he's come on the first star now? Now he's going to collect the star from here and put it in the basket. Yes. Now he is on number 1. Yes. Now he wants to go to the next star and get it and put it in his basket. How many times is he going to jump after 1? To go to 2, how many jumps is he going to take? Can somebody tell me? Yes, very smart. He is going to jump one more time. Yes. And he is going to collect the star from here and he is going to put it in the basket. Y'all are seeing he's collecting all the stars, all the colorful stars, and he's jumping one by one. He's jumping one jump. He's taking one jump and collecting the other stars. How many jump he is jumping? Only one jump he is doing. Yes. Now he is on 2. He wants to take the star from 3, from the number 3. He is going to again jump only one more time. He is here. And he is going to take the star and put it in the basket. Yes. Now he wants to come to number 4. Can you see the number 4? After 3 we have 4. After 3 when we want to come to 4, how many times are we going to jump? Yes, you are right. Only one time we will jump and we will be on 4. Now Snowy has collected the star and he is going to put it in the basket. Yes? Can you see? Now after 4 we have number 5. For going on number 5, how many times is the Snowy going to jump? Yes, again he is going to take one jump. Yes, and he is going to collect the pink star from number 5 and put it in the basket. Now after 5, which number do we have? There is number 6. Yes, how many jump is he going to take? Yes, you are right, very smart. He is going to jump only one more time here. And he is going to pick up the star from here and put it in the basket again. See, he's collected 6 stars. Can you see? From number 6, he's collected 6 stars. Now Snowy wants to take one more star from number 7. After 6, we have 7, isn't it? When you'll count, you'll say 5, 6, and then 7. Now, how many jumps is he going to take? Yes, he is again going to take one more jump over here and he is going to collect the star from here and put it in the basket. See, his basket is getting full now. Now again from 7, he wants the star from number 8. Again he will take one more jump. Yes, and he'll collect the star from number 8 and put it in his basket. Yes, now when he is on number 8 and he wants to collect the star from number 9. This little Snowy wants all the stars, so he is going to jump one more time and he is going to come on 9 and collect the star and put it in his basket. Again, now he wants the star on the last number, that is 10. After 9 we have 10. Yes, After 9, do we have any other number? No, we have directly 10. So, he is going to jump only one more time and get the star from here. Yes? Can you see? He's collected all the stars from number 1 to number 10 by jumping only one time, isn't it? That means to get the number one after the other, I have to jump only one time. This way, I am going to count in ones. Yes, count it once. So the topic is count in ones. Yes, now we know how do we count in ones, means one after the other. We are not going to leave any number and we are going to count in a line. Yes, the numbers are in a line in proper order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means we have not skipped any number and we have done the numbers in a order. So that is count in ones. Yes. Now we will see how to count in twos. Are you all excited for Snowy to come and jump 2 times? Now my children have learned how Snowy jumped 1 time and collected all the stars. That means we counted in ones, one after the other. Now you all can see some more stars on the board. Yes. Now let's see. Again, Snow is going to come to our class and he is going to collect all the stars from here. And how is he going to do it? Yes, let's start. Now my Snowy is on number 20. Can you see the number 20? 20. Yes, he wants all the stars from here. So how is he going to do it? How many times is he going to jump to collect the first star? He is on number 20. He jumped 1 time. Did he come to the star? No. Then again he jumped 1 more time. Then he came to the number 22 and he got the star and he collected it and he put in the basket. So now you all saw he jumped how many times? He jumped 2 times, isn't it? From 20 he came to 21 and then from 21 he came to 22. So he jumped how many times? He jumped 2 times, isn't it? Now again he wants to get the star also. How is he going to do it? How many times is he going to jump? After 22 there is one more number over here, 23. Then we have 24 where the star is. He is again going to jump 2 times. Let's see how he jumps. 1, 2. Yes. He came to number 24 and collected the star and he put it in the basket over here. Yes. Is he going correct over here? Now again he wants this star also. Yes. He wants this star also. How many times is he going to jump? Let's see. First he will jump 1 time. But did he come to the star? No. He didn't come. So he took 1 more jump over here. That means he jumped 2 times. Yes. And he collected the star from here and he put it in the basket. Yes. So how many stars has he collected? He has collected 3 stars over here. Yes. Now he is the Snowy, the cute little Snowy is on number 26. And he wants to go to number 28. But there is one number 27 in the between. He wants to take the star. How many jumps he is going to jump? He'll take 2 jumps. 1, 2. And he will collect the star and put it in the basket. Yes. So, now in all he has collected 4 stars. Now again from number 28, he is going to take the star now. Again he is going to jump 2 times. 1, 2. Yes. And he got the star from here. Yes. There he goes. Now he wants the last star also. So how many times is he going to jump? Yes, very good. You'll know now. He is going to jump 2 times. 1, 2. He's got the last star also. Also, did you all see the magic? How it happened? So what did we do? We left one number in between. After each number, we left one number and we went to the next number. So this is called counting in twos. What it is called? Counting in twos. Yes, that means we took two jumps. Twos means the snowy, the small little snowy took two jumps to get the star, isn't it? He was on 20. Then he took 2 steps, 2 jumps, and he came to number 22. Then he wanted to go to number 24. He jumped 2 times, 1, 2, and he came to number 24. Then from 24 he wanted to go to 26. Then he jumped 2 more times and he came to 26, and so on. Yes? So you'll know how we are going to count in twos. That means for counting in twos, we are going to leave one number in between and go to the next number. That means if I have number 1 over here and I want to count in twos, so I am going to leave the number 2 and directly come to number 3. Yes? You saw how he did? He left the number in between, that was 21, and he went to 22 to collect the stars. So that is counting in twos. So now you know how we are going to count in ones and count in twos. Hope you all have understood this topic and you all are very clear with it. I am going to send you all a small exercise on this and you all are going to solve it by yourself. Yes? Before I send you all the exercise for doing the homework, let's do some sums together in counting in twos. Let's do it together. Now how are we going to do? First your sum. Can you see the first number, that is 63. Then I have directly written 65. I have not written the numbers in order, in the correct order. After 63 then comes 64. But I have skipped that number and directly written 65. That means I have counted in twos. That means I have skipped one number and directly written 65, isn't it? So now we are going to do the sums according to this and we are going to count in twos and write the next number. Now let's see how we do it. Yes, I have number 65 over here. So which number am I going to write over here? We all know which number am I going to write. I told you all that I have skipped one number when I count in twos. That means I skip one number and I go to the next number. So that means which number is going to come here? After 65 I have 66. Am I going to write number 66 over here? No, you are very smart. We are counting in twos. So we are going to skip 66 and write the next number after 66. That is 67. Isn't it? You also I have skipped number 64 after 63 and I have skipped number 66 after 65 and written 67. That means I have counted in twos. I have taken 2 steps. So see over here, I have written 63. And I have written 65. So I have taken 1, 2. 2 steps to come to 65, isn't it? So now we are going to do the next. We are going to write the next number over here. After 67, which number am I going to write when I count in twos? Yes, you are right. I will skip one number after 67. That is 68 and write the number 69. Yes, you all saw the magic? We are skipping one number in between and writing the next number so that we are counting in twos. Yes? Now I have the next sum for you all. I have number 36 and number 38 over here. That means I have skipped one number. I have left one number in the middle. That means that is 36. After 36 I have number 37 which I have not written. That means I have left that number and directly written number 68. that is counting in twos. To count in twos, we skip one number. After 38, which number we are right when we write in order? Yes, that is 39. After 38 comes 39, and then after 39 comes 40, isn't it? So we are going to skip one number after 38, that is 39, and directly going to write 40, isn't it? Now after 40, when I have to count in twos, I skip one more number, that is 41, and write number 42. Yes? These two sums are done now. Let's go to the third one. I have the number 1, 4, 14, and I have written 1, 6, 16. That means I have counted in steps of twos. I have left one number, that is 15. I have left, no? Can you see 15 written over here? No. That means I have left number 15 and directly written 16. Now to count in twos, which number we are going to get after 16? Yes, that are right. After 16, we are going to leave one number and directly write 18. Yes, very smart. My children have become very smart. They understand how we are going to do. After 18, again I will skip one more number, that is 19, and write 20 over here. Yes. Now let's go to the last sum now. That is, I have the first number is 77. Then I have skipped one number, that I have left one number and written 79. After 79, again I am going to leave one number, that is 80. After 79 we have 80. So I am going to leave 80 and directly write 81. Yes? Now after 81, again I will leave one number, skip one number or leave one number, that is 82, and directly write 83. Yes? Is it correct? That's how we do. How we write when we are counting in twos, we skip one number, isn't it? For counting in twos, we will leave one number in between and write the next number. Yes? Hope you have understood this exercise and you are going to try to solve the exercise which I sent you for homework by yourself. Thank you.